Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated product for those seeking to enhance their skincare routine. The Farmacy Ceramide Face Moisturizer, Honey Halo Hydrating Facial Moisturizer. This product is specifically formulated for dry skin, aiming to hydrate, plump, and restore the skin's natural barrier with a blend of potent ingredients. So let's see if it lives up to the claims. This moisturizer comes in a sleek 50ml jar designed to tackle dry, distressed skin with its nourishing formula. The key highlights of the Honey Halo Moisturizer are its rich ceramide blend, which is said to prevent moisture loss, and the inclusion of royal honey and jelly, which work together to soothe and hydrate the skin. Additionally, it features fig fruit extract, providing an extra boost to create a juicy, dewy complexion. It's also worth noting that this moisturizer not only hydrates and plumps, but also functions as a makeup primer, prepping your skin for a smoother application. Now let's talk real-world usage. I've been using this moisturizer for a couple of weeks, both in the morning and at night, and I have to say, the texture is incredibly rich and luxurious, yet it absorbs into the skin without feeling greasy. It's a great option for anyone with dry skin that's in need of serious hydration. When applied, it immediately softens and soothes the skin, leaving it feeling hydrated and refreshed. I also noticed that it gave my skin a healthy, subtle glow, which is exactly what it promises. One thing I didn't love, however, is that the formula can feel a bit heavy for those with combination or oily skin types. If you're in those categories, this may be a bit too thick, especially for daytime use. In terms of performance, it does what it says on the tin. It hydrates and restores. I've noticed a definite improvement in the plumpness of my skin, and fine lines around my cheeks and forehead appear a little less pronounced. That said, I didn't find any drastic overnight miracles, but the gradual improvement is definitely noticeable. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, it has an impressive ingredient list with ceramides, honey, and fig fruit extract, ingredients that are all known for their soothing, hydrating properties. The texture is rich and ideal for dry skin, and it does help with plumping and giving a dewy finish. On the downside, if you have combination or oily skin, the moisturizer might feel too heavy, especially under makeup. Additionally, the scent, while mild, might not be for everyone, especially those sensitive to fragrances. When it comes to value for money, this moisturizer is on the pricier side for a 50ml jar, but you are paying for high-quality, farm-sourced ingredients and a luxurious skincare experience. It definitely stands out from other moisturizers in this price range due to its blend of ceramides and honey. However, if you're on a budget or just looking for something to quickly hydrate without all the extras, there are cheaper options that may still do the job, though they may lack the specific benefits that come with this product. When comparing it to similar options, Farmacy Honey Halo definitely stands out with its combination of hydrating and soothing ingredients, as well as its ability to double as a primer. Many other moisturizers on the market offer hydration, but might not offer the same level of skin barrier repair or be as suitable for sensitive skin types. However, if you're looking for a lightweight moisturizer or a product that is more focused on oil control, you might find better alternatives out there. Now, for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and feels high-end, and the jar design is practical for easy application. The texture of the moisturizer itself is smooth and velvety, making it easy to spread without tugging at the skin. While it's a bit heavier in texture, the longevity of the product is good. It's designed to be used daily, and so far, it has shown no signs of degradation over time. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out, but Farmacy as a brand is known for its transparency and focus on quality. Many users have reported positive experiences with their customer service, so you can expect a helpful response if needed. There are no major updates to mention for this product, so let's move on to alternatives. If you're looking for something similar but more affordable, CeraVe's Moisturizing Cream or Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel might be worth exploring. These alternatives are less rich in texture, but still provide good hydration at a more budget-friendly price point. In conclusion, the Farmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer is an excellent option for those with dry skin who are looking for a product that hydrates, soothes, and creates a glowing complexion. It's perfect for prepping the skin before makeup and for those who want to give their skin an extra dose of moisture. However, if you have combination or oily skin, it might not be the best fit for you. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you're interested in giving this product a try, you can find the link in the comments box. Let me know your thoughts or experiences if you've tried it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep glowing, stay hydrated, and remember to always choose beauty that's both honest and effective.